The rut.
Alex, are you okay? You have been staring at your coffee cup for 10 minutes.
Oh, sorry, Jamie. I did not realize that. I was just thinking.
You look very tired. Actually, you look a bit sad. Is everything all right at work?
Work is fine. I mean, it is the same as always. That is the problem.
What do you mean? Is it too busy?
No, it is not too busy. It's just boring. Every day is exactly the same. I wake up, I go to the office, I sit at my desk for 8 hours, I come home, I sleep. And then I do it all again.
I understand. Routine can be difficult sometimes, but a steady job is a good thing, isn't it?
I know I should be thankful. I have a salary, I can pay my bills. But I feel like I'm missing something. I feel like a robot.
A robot? That's a strong word. Why do you feel like that?
Because I'm just following a program. I'm not living. I'm just existing. Do you know that feeling?
I have felt that way before. It feels like you're stuck in a box.
Yes, exactly. I'm stuck in a box and I cannot find the door. I look at other people and they seem so happy. They have passion. They're excited about their lives.
And you are not exciting?
No, I am not excited. When my alarm clock rings in the morning, I do not want to get up. I just want to pull the blankets over my head and stay in bed.
That sounds like more than just being bored, Alex. It sounds like you are unhappy.
I think you're right. I am unhappy, but I don't know why. I have a normal life. I should be happy.
Normal does not always mean happy. Maybe normal is not enough for you anymore.
Maybe. But what can I do? I cannot just quit my job. I have responsibilities. I have rent to pay.
Of course, nobody's saying you should quit today, but you're clearly looking for something else. Do you have any ideas about what you want to do?
I don't know. I haven't thought about my dreams for a long time. I stopped dreaming when I started this job 5 years ago.
5 years is a long time to do something you do not like.
It feels like a lifetime. Sometimes I think, is this it? Is this my whole life, just working and paying bills until I'm old?
That's a scary thought.
It terrifies me. I look in the mirror and I see myself getting older, but I'm not growing. I'm just staying in the same place.
You're feeling trapped.
Yes, trapped. But I'm also scared to move. It's safe where I am. I know what to expect. If I try to change, what if things get worse?
So you stay in the unhappiness because it's safe.
I guess so. It sounds stupid when I say it out loud, but safety is comfortable.
Comfortable is dangerous, Alex. Comfortable is where dreams die.
Why do you say that?
Because nothing grows in a comfort zone. You're like a plant in a small pot. You need more space.
I feel like the pot is cracking, Jamie. I really do. I just don't know if I'm brave enough to break it.
You're stronger than you think. But first, you have to admit that you want to change.
I do want to change. I really do. I just don't know how. The fear.
You say you do not know how to change, Alex, but I think there is a bigger reason. I think you are afraid.
Of course I'm afraid. Anyone would be afraid. Leaving a safe job is crazy.
Is it crazy or is it brave? Let's be honest. What is the number one thing stopping you? What is the biggest fear?
Failure. Simple as that. What if I try something new and I fail completely? What if I lose everything?
That is a valid fear. But let me ask you a question. If you stay in this job for the next 20 years and you are still unhappy, is that not failure too?
That that is a different kind of failure. That's a safe failure. Nobody laughs at you for having a steady job.
Ah, so you were worried about what other people think. You were afraid of judgment.
Maybe my parents were so proud when I got this job. My friends think I'm doing well. If I quit to chase a dream, they will think I have lost my mind.
Why does their opinion matter more than your own happiness? They do not live your life, you do.
It's easy for you to say, you're confident. I'm not. I've always been the careful one. I don't take risks.
Risk is scary, I agree. But tell me, what is this something new you were thinking about? You said you stopped dreaming, but I don't believe you.
It sounds silly.
Please tell me. I will not laugh, I promise.
I used to love writing. Before I studied business, I wrote stories all the time. I wanted to be a writer.
A writer? That is fantastic. Why did you stop?
Because writers don't make money. That's what everyone said. Be practical, Alex. Get a real job, Alex. So I did.
And now you have a real job and real unhappiness. Do you still write?
Sometimes, late at night, but I never show anyone. I'm not good enough.
There's another fear. I'm not good enough. That is the voice of self-doubt.
But it's true. There are millions of writers. Why would anyone want to read my words? I'm nobody.
You are nobody only because you are hiding. You are hiding your talent in a drawer.
It's safer in the drawer. If I publish something and people hate it, it will destroy me.
So you are protecting yourself from pain, but you are also blocking yourself from joy.
I just don't want to look like a fool. Imagine if I try and I fail and I have to come back and beg for my old job. It would be humiliating.
Alex, look at me. Look me in the eyes. Failure is not the end of the world. It is just a lesson. The only true failure is never trying.
I hear those motivational quotes all the time on the internet. One life, one chance, but real life is harder than a quote.
It is harder, but it is also more rewarding. You are letting fear control the steering wheel of your life.
I don't know how to turn the wheel. My hands are shaking too much.
Why are your hands shaking? Is it just the fear of failure or is it something else?
I think I'm afraid of success too. That sounds weird, right?
Not at all. Success means change. Success means responsibility. Success means you cannot hide anymore.
Exactly. If I succeed, everything changes and I'm terrified of the unknown.
The unknown is a dark room. You can stand outside and imagine monsters inside, or you can turn on the light.
I don't know where the switch is.
We can find the switch together, but you have to stop listing reasons why you can't. We need to find one reason why you can.
One reason? I have 100 reasons why I can't. I have bills. I have no time. I'm too old.
Alex, you are 30 years old, Alex. You are not 80. That is just an excuse.
It feels like an excuse, but it feels real to me. My fear feels like a heavy wall.
Walls can be climbed or they can be broken, but you cannot sit in the shadow of the wall forever.
I'm just so tired of being afraid, Jamie. It's exhausting to be scared all the time. The potential.
You are tired of being afraid. That is actually good news, Alex.
How is that good news? I feel weak.
No, it means you are ready. When the pain of staying the same is bigger than the pain of change, that is when you grow.
I want to believe you, but I look at my life and I see limits. I see barriers.
You see barriers because you are looking down. You need to look up. Listen to me carefully. How many lives do you get?
One, obviously.
One. Just one. And how much of it have you already used?
About a third, I guess.
So you have two-thirds left. Or maybe less, we never know. Do you really want to spend the rest of your precious time in a box?
No, I don't.
This is it, Alex. This is not a rehearsal. This is the show. One life, one chance. You don't get a second try.
When you say it like that, it makes me feel urgent, like I'm wasting time.
You are wasting time, but you're also wasting something more important. You are wasting your gift.
My writing? Is it really a gift or is it just a hobby?
It is a gift if it makes you feel alive. You told me your eyes light up when you talk about stories. You don't look like a robot when you talk about writing.
I do feel different when I write. I feel free. I feel powerful. I can create worlds.
Exactly. You have power inside you. You have potential, but you are suffocating it with fear.
But potential is just a word. It doesn't pay the rent.
Potential is energy. If you use it, it grows. If you ignore it, it turns into regret. Do you really want to be 80 years old, sitting in a chair, regretting the book you never wrote?
That is my nightmare, being old and full of what ifs.
Then stop the nightmare. Wake up. You can do anything, Alex. I truly believe that.
Anything? That's a big promise.
It is the truth. Humans are amazing. We can learn anything. We can build anything. We can change anything. Why are you different?
I'm not special. I'm just an average person.
Every special person started as an average person who decided to try. They just refused to give up.
So you think I can really be a writer? A professional writer?
I think you can be whatever you decide to be, but you have to decide. You have to say yes to yourself.
It feels selfish saying yes to myself.
It is not selfish. It is necessary. If you are happy, you bring light to the world. If you are miserable, you bring shadows. The world needs your light, Alex.
My light. I haven't seen it in a long time.
It is still there. It is buried under the dust of your routine. We just need to clean it off.
You make it sound possible. For the first time, I feel a little spark.
Hold on to that spark. That is your potential calling you.
But what if I am too slow? What if I'm far behind?
It is never too late. Colonel Sanders started KFC when he was old. Vera Wang became a designer at 40. Your timeline is your own.
So I don't have to rush.
You don't have to rush, but you must start. You must take one step, just one. The decision and resolution.
I keep thinking about the mountain. It looks so high.
Don't look at the summit, just look at your feet. Take the first step. You have the power to change your story, Alex. You hold the pen.
I hold the pen. I like that.
It is your story. No one else can write it for you. So, are you going to write a tragedy about a fearful man or an adventure about a brave one?
I want the adventure. I really do.
Then believe it. Say it. I can do anything.
I can do anything.
Louder, with conviction.
I can do anything.
Do you believe it?
I am starting to. I really am starting to.
Okay, you believe it. That is the engine. Now we need the steering wheel. We need a plan.
A plan. Right. So should I go to my office tomorrow and quit? Should I just leave?
Whoa, slow down. Remember, small steps. Recklessness is not bravery. We need a smart plan.
Okay, smart plan. I guess I got a little too excited.
Excitement is good, but discipline is better. If you want to be a writer, you have to write. When can you do that?
I usually watch TV after work. I'm too tired to write then.
When don't do it after work, do it before.
Before work? You mean in the morning?
Yes, wake up 1 hour early. The world is quiet then. It is just you and your thoughts.
5 a.m.? That is early. I love my sleep.
Do you love your sleep more than your dream? That is the question.
That is a tough question, but no, I want the dream more.
Good. So that is step one. Tomorrow morning, the alarm goes off at 5 a.m. You do not hit snooze. You get up.
And I write for a whole hour?
Don't pressure yourself. Just write for 30 minutes. Write anything. Just get the words out.
30 minutes. I can do that. That sounds manageable.
It is manageable. It's a baby step. But if you do it every day, in a year, you'll have a book.
A whole book? Wow. It seems so simple when you break it down.
Success is just a lot of simple things done consistently. It's not magic, it's work.
I feel different now, Jamie. An hour ago, I felt heavy. Now I feel light. Nervous, but light.
That's the feeling of hope. You took the weight off your shoulders.
Thank you. I really mean it. I was drowning and you threw me a rope.
You grabbed the rope yourself, Alex. I just pointed at it.
I know it will be hard. I know there will be days when I want to quit.
There will be. There absolutely will be. What will you do then?
I will remember this conversation. I will remember one life, one chance.
And remember why you started. Keep your vision clear.
I will. I'm gonna write that story, Jamie. The one about the adventurer.
I can't wait to read it. I will be your first customer.
You really think I can do this?
I don't think, I know. The only thing stopping you was you, and you just got out of the way.
It's funny. The coffee shop looks the same, the people look the same, but the world feels completely different.
Because you changed your glasses, you're seeing possibility now, not just problems.
One life. I'm not going to waste another second of it.
That's the spirit. Now drink your coffee. You have an early morning tomorrow.
Cheers to that, to the new chapter.
To the new chapter and to the author.
Great work today. Keep going. Every lesson helps you improve your English. I'm excited to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons. Keep learning and see you again soon.